I'm taking a big trade on gold. It's a reversal. It could be a little bit crazy right now, but I'm going to show you why I'm doing what I'm doing. Let's go into the trade. All right, so the first thing I want you to see here is that in gold, we're actually near a support level, okay? And so that's one of the things that I like to look for. We are right here along the 1800. It might come back down to 18, but I started to see a little bit of a bounce, so I wanted to get in. I'll talk more about that later. But the other thing I want to identify is that we have a support level here. So you can see that we're looking at, we got double support. We're getting close to the bottom here, in my opinion. We've got this pretty solid level right here. If we just draw that out, it kind of lets you see what we're looking at. Pretty nice level. Okay, so we've got that in place. And if you look at it on a weekly time frame, you can see that we've got really nice support levels all the way across on this weekly level. Okay, so now I'm going to come down and I'm going to take a look at this on the hourly time frame. All right, we've got the price moving over here where it's about ready to break. Okay, we broke this moving average, the 10 period. We got some momentum moving up, so we're starting to get some of that consolidation. Okay, price is moving down, and looks like one of the things I like to look for on an entry, and I'm just going to show you, I like to look for the price to move above the 10 EMA, to come back to the 10 EMA, and then break above. And so that's happened here. It went back, broke up, and above. So that's happened a couple times on this move, and it has got crushed. Like right here, that wouldn't have worked. Here, it didn't really happen. But right here was one fake out. And then right here was another fake out. So there's been a couple fake outs. So that is factoring into my consideration as well, is the long traders have been faked out before. And so that, to me, shows that things could change, right? Usually there's one fake out, two fake outs, maybe three fake outs on a reversal. And then finally, eventually, the reversal will work. The reversal trade will always come into play, and it will always work. But the question is when, right? When is that going to work? And so right now, we've got it going. Let's take a look back at a daily chart again. And I want to kind of talk about my targets here. So I'm just targeting right at this point, which is the 10 EMA on a daily. It's way below the 10 EMA, and it should get back up here. So I've got a target right now of about 342 pips. Okay, and so the way that I'm going to trade this is on this hourly, I'm going to be watching for potential re-entries. I went in with a very small position size, and I want to try to get to my target, which I might target this 200 moving average. So what that means is I'm either going to, if this thing rocks, it's a hard reversal and goes right to the target, then that'll be what it is. But if we get like somewhere about halfway point, a pull down, another consolidation right here in the middle, and then another rock up, I'll add a position, okay? And add a position, and so that I can really maximize this move. Okay, so that's that. On the other side of the scenario, I'm going to be watching. Let's go back to a daily. I'm going to be tightening my stop a little bit, but I'm also, and I'll take a small loss if I have to, but my stop is down here below this daily shelf. But if it comes down here and stops me out or builds another position, I'll also look at getting it down here as well. Just another small position. So I want to try to build up a couple positions before getting to that target. So that's kind of what I'm looking at with gold right now. Just thought that would be helpful to everybody, getting that good analysis. Remember, this thing has been crazy weak. So Oh, one other thing I wanted to show was just the fib retracement, right? You look at the fib retracement, I got my target right near the 38. So I think it could go back up there, but it's been crazy weak. That when it's weak, I like to trade with the weak. You know, when gold is weak, I like to sell. But right now, I'm just having a hard time selling because it's been so weak. I was selling this down, but now I'm like, okay, I can't sell anymore. It's just too close. There's no risk to reward in it. The risk to reward now has become in the reversal trade. Okay, thanks a lot, and let me know if you have any comments.